Have you ever thought, when you stare at a big mountain at sunset, how it will be like to be on top and spend the night there? Well, that's exactly what drove me during this adventure. For me, ANTELAO is not a mountain like all others. I stared many times at its bottom, almost about to start hiking, but then something was blocking me. Maybe the huge elevation gain, more than 2,000 meters. Maybe the exposed steep slabs that make this mountain so extraordinary. I always felt I wasn't ready. But that day, something was different. After coming back from the Western Alps, where I felt very confident with rocky terrains and big hikes, I was in the perfect mood to embark on this journey. So, I just did it. Let's go! The gravel part is done. It was pretty steep and slippery. And now the rock begins. Oh. Now it's all about following the ridge. Top looks really far, but I'm excited. Four hours and I just made it to probably the most famous part of this route, the LASTE. This incredible slab, it's pretty steep and actually very wide, kind of scary, and the route goes up, like straight up to the bottom of those rocks. This was incredible. Now, on the left. We are on the final ridge with Broken Spectre and the top. here we go. 2,000 meters higher. I'm on top. ANTELAO. 3,264 meters. Woo! It's getting dark, so it's time to set the camp. And the question is, where? One option is here, but it's going a bit downhill and it doesn't seem very comfortable, honestly. Another one is there, but again, it's going downhill. This is way too exposed and way too much downhill, but I found the best spot ever, right below the cross, down here. And all I have tonight is a beefy bag, a sleeping pad, and my sleeping bag. Right. It looks pretty comfortable, actually. It's dinner time. Today I brought lentils with ancient cereals. Sounds good. Of course, I forgot my spoon, so I'll just do it this way. Cheers! It's amazing. Dinner with a view. Look at how far the valleys are. We're so high. I hiked up to the final ridge to take some pictures, and the Milky Way is right behind the top of ANTELAO. It's almost midnight. I'm laying on my backpack and I'm ready to sleep with the sky above my head. It's just magical. Good night. Good morning. What a night. Very windy. Not that cold, but the wind was quite annoying. Oh. Sun is rising. Look at the shadow of Antelao in front of Pelmo. So let's have a look at the mountains around us. First of all, Dolomiti Friulane. This is Cridola. Over here there's a beautiful alignment of Canili di Misurina, Tre Cime and Dreischüsterspitze. Moving in this direction there's Monte Cristallo, Croda Rossa, Sorapis, and over there Tofane group with Tofana di Rozes, Tofana di Mezzo, Tofana di Dentro. On the other side we have Sella group in the background with Croda da Lago and LASTE di Formini in front of us. Then Marmolada, the amazing Pelmo with Civetta in the background. Until next time. The hardest part is done. I'm down. Ujo Galassi. I need the reward. Cheers. Alright, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this adventure. For me, a dream came true today. So I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next adventure. I was up there. It's crazy.